Hello YouTubers, welcome to another Blu-ray unboxing. This is I am Rodolfo of the Wolf-dolfo channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Muppets from Space on the Blu-ray and DVD combo pack. Now, this along with the Muppets Take Manhattan 4K Blu-ray these are the two movies I decided to upgrade from these old DVDs. And so I can get rid of this one in favor of having these, which is, nice. Well, which was the reason why, again, was the reason why I bought these two. Well, anyway, let's get right into it. Here's the spine. The Muppets embark on a hilarious extraterrestrial adventure in hopes of finding out about Gonzo's past, and discover that Gonzo's family members are aliens from a distant planet. Gonzo then gets a message that his relatives are coming up for a visit from outer space, but when word gets out on Miss Piggy's talk show, UFO Mania, that the friendly aliens are coming, a secret government agency led by K. Edgar Singer, played by Jeffrey Tambor, captures Gonzo and goes to great lengths to learn when his extraterrestrial family will arrive. Now only the Muppets, led by Kermit and Miss Piggy, can save Gonzo and make the world safe for a friendly alien invasion. Muppets from Space, featuring Annie McDowell, Ray Liotta, and David Aykroyd, among others, is a star-studded close encounter with far-out fun. In special features, we have outtakes and a music video, Shining Star. I'm hoping that the DVD still contains the same special features from the DVD, like from the original DVD, and this is for only the Blu-ray or something. Well, anyway, let's open this up and see what we have inside. So hold on. There. Sorry. Oh, let me just take the plastic off of this. Well, anyway, time to open this up. Here we have the DVD and the Blu-ray. Well, YouTuber, wait, I think there's some back art animation. Oh, I mean back, some, I meant to say, like some images in the back of the cover here. There's Gonzo. And there's nothing else. Well, YouTubers, that's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and have a good night.